cool. So, what's the name of your band and where are you guys from?
We're Sound of a Smirk. We're from Hudson Valley, New York, kind of a Wappingers, Hopewell Junction area.
All right, that's pretty cool. We're glad to have you here, and we hope you guys have fun. What's the name of your first song?
This is going to be Olly, Olly, Oxymoron.
All right, cool. Have fun.
Thanks. I was alone.
that was really good. Why aren't you guys fucking famous yet? What the fuck are we doing over here?
We're a small band called Green Day.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, put masks on, play under a different name.
Yeah. Anyway, I want to know what bands inspired you to make the music that you're making.
I think everybody's gonna have different opinions. I think Brand New's my favorite band overall, but a lot of the bands like Citizen, the more recent stuff, Citizen and Basement and Turnover and Title Fight and a lot of that whole, there's kind of this category right now of like an emo revival. But other than that, I mean, I like a lot of the older shit like Radiohead. I love. My dad raised me on the Radiohead. Yeah, I don't know.
What about you guys?
I mean, I'm a huge Flea fan. I've been a Chili Pepper fan ever since I was like a little kid. So Flea's definitely my idol. But I'm a huge Rage Against the Machine fan too. So that's where I get my harder influence. But I was never really into the whole emo thing. But I met Jesse, so it kind of rubbed off on me. And so here I am playing bass for Sound of a Smirk.
What about you? What do you?
I don't know. I've always been into like a lot of like mid 2000s pop punk stuff.
Nice, nice.
Like when I met Jesse like a little while ago, I was just starting to play drums and I was like, I'll give it a shot. I've been a guitar player for a lot longer and I was like playing stuff like that, but you know, playing with him, it's like I would just try with like different styles and trying to like bring him up, especially on the last record that we did. He came to me when we were writing that record and it was basically like a folk. It was like a folk album. It was so different from how it is now.
Like,
and I was like,
this
is to be fast. I really only know how to do one thing, and that's just get faster and more annoying.
I say our biggest connection though, balance and composure. He loved
Oh,
balance
yeah.
and composure, and I was like, oh,
That's
I
a
fucking
big
love that
influence,
shit.
especially on the drumming.
Nice. No, that's really cool. I mean, I love all those bands. You know, Brand New. I really like Brand New. I got to see them a couple of times. They're fucking amazing.
Yeah.
They are. They're a band that I think people are gonna remember like 50 years from now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
How people remember like Zeppelin and stuff like that. I think they're definitely that kind of a band. I wanted to talk to you about Grow Apart. How long ago did you guys record this? What is the inspiration for the artwork? You know, was there fighting between you guys about what artwork you were gonna pick? Because I know that's a problem with my band. So.
Personally, I love the artwork on that. I'm not
I do
sure.
too. I do too. Just to make that clear.
So we actually do kind of argue amongst ourselves, you know, kindly. We don't necessarily agree on all the artwork that's presented to us from people, but I feel like that's probably the best piece I've seen so far, and I'm definitely glad it's on the cover of the album.
Yeah,
for sure.
It's my friend I've had for a while now. I guess like 12 years I've known him. He lives over in Baltimore now. But Derek Quinlan, if anybody ever wants to check his art out, he does the cover of that. He did a lot of our shirts. He has more designs we're going to be putting out later. Derek Quinlan, I told him the name of the record is Grow Apart. And it's grow, apart, period, because of just that whole meaning of the words and everything of that sort. And he came up with that. I didn't want to affect it. I wanted him to draw what came to his mind. And he came up with that, which, fuck.
And people swear to you that that the face on that is Derek's actual face,
Derek's
but I'm pretty sure that's actually
It looks
his face.
just like Jesse.
It looks just like. Just put
If
it.
you saw my friend Derek.
If you saw my friend
just
Derek.
like him.
They have the same haircut,
No.
and yes.
He has a better
Just hold
part than
that.
I
Just hold the record up to his face
do. No.
on a side.
Do you
like,
want
just
it?
do it.
Yeah.
No.
His part goes the other
Like
way.
he's lying to us.
Yeah.
Yeah, just split my head open and put some flowers
I
in
mean,
my mouth.
I would love to just split your head open.
Me too. But yeah, I don't know, that album, we recorded that. Fuck. We had a friend who was playing guitar live for us for a while.
Mhm.
And he actually just added guitar on that. Within the last like 6 months, we released the record initially about a year ago, August 25th of last year, and then we released vinyl just recently, and that had added guitar, it had 3 extra tracks. Like that album is completely different than what you heard a year ago. So it's cool. It's a labor of love. We spent a lot of time
Yeah, it sounds like you spent a lot of time. I mean, I didn't get to listen to the vinyl yet because you guys just gave it to us. But
Yes.
the album, I mean, the quality of the recording. Like I said to you, we were talking before. It's fucking phenomenal. Where'd you guys record it again? What's the name of the place?
Nada Recording Studios. It's in Montgomery, New York. A guy named John Niclario. If any, the dude does work.
Nice.
Does
Yeah,
work.
he's great.
All right. So the last thing that I wanted to kind of just wrap up before you guys continue with your set, your pedals. You came in with a shitload of pedals, and I want to know what's going on with them.
Okay, so my pedal board, my guitar goes into a tuner. Really simple.
Okay, yeah.
Then it goes into basically it goes into this thing called a flex reaction, which is a switcher that has 8 different channels. I can plug 8 different pedals into it, and I can set it so that every single button can do whatever amount of pedals I want. If that simplifies it. I got a harvester from Walrus Audio, and then an Aedos from Walrus Audio, and then I have a Vox Delay Lab. So that's delay. You got harvester's overdrive. The Aedos is just a power supply. Everything else on this board, I have a procession, a reflector, a haunt, and a dark star that are all old Blood Noise endeavors. If you hear any sounds being made, like weird fucking trippy shit, it's all them. They make insanely
Sounds like it
pedals.
blows your mind, those pedals.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So how many songs do you guys have left for us?
Got 3 more.
Okay, yeah. So I just played 3 more, and it's been fun, you know.
Thank you.
Word. So where can everyone find your music? Where can they find, what you're selling? Are you selling the vinyl?
Vinyl is for sale. We have a website, soundofsmirk.com. Easy, simple enough.
All right, yeah.
And then we have a Bandcamp, soundofsmirk.bandcamp. If you want to follow us on Instagram and Twitter and all that stuff.
Spotify.
Search, we're on Spotify, we're on iTunes. You can find us literally anywhere. Pandora
right.
and all that stuff. If you Google search us, you'll find us. Or Sound of Smirk on any social media and stuff.
Nice, yeah. We'll have the link in the description for all their stuff, all right, you good? Yeah, the screaming will fuck up your voice, man. I know. I feel you on that one.
Okay. This song's called Why Not Astronaut? Woo. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Oh, shit. I appreciate it.
That was sick. Like, control, very tight.
Oh, what, the fucking... Yeah.
You did a harmonic towards the end of that part.
Oh,
like,
thanks.
I don't even know if you did it. It just came off naturally.
I did mean to do that. I totally
Meant to
did.
do that.
Totally meant it. This song's called Stay Speed Limit.
My heart pumped
That was great. That's the sound of Smirk, guys. It's their band name. Everything will be in the description. Fucking loved having you here. That was fucking awesome.
It was fun.
Yeah.
Hoodie was a bad choice.
All right. Well, thank you guys.
Milk was a bad choice.